What's up, guys? Mac here again with another quick LSPDFR tutorial. I'm sorry, guys, if these get a little lengthy sometimes, but I want to be as thorough as humanly possible to give you guys the best experience, all right? As always, guys, make sure you click on that subscribe, hit that like button on the video. That just means give us a thumbs up. Also, guys, check out the links in the description to head on over to Facebook Gaming, guys. Drop us a follow, give us a like if you guys want to catch us live on patrol. But without further ado, I'm going to show you guys how to install callouts, and I'm also going to show you how to install Open All Interiors. It's in my list here, right here down number 15. This is needed for a lot of callouts, and what this does is it does exactly what it sounds like. It opens up convenience or some convenience stores and other aspects of the map for callouts to work. All right, and this is something you can leave installed all the time. And again, guys, the links here are all in the description. This link right here to this Google Doc is in the description, and you guys can download everything from here. Everything on here has a link. All right, so with that being said, let's get to it. Alrighty, so first things first, guys, you're gonna need your main game directory pulled up. Okay, and we're gonna start with Open All Interiors. Reason being is this one's very, very simple and straightforward. You're gonna open up that folder, guys, that WinRAR folder. And you're going to see three things. You're going to see a README text, an Open All Interiors INI, and an ASI. You're going to want to select both of those. And again, you can do that by just clicking on one and left control and left click on the other one. And all you're going to do, guys, this is going to be very hard. Are you ready? You're going to drag and drop them. Okay, again, I'm going to do it again for you. Drag and drop them into your main game directory. Again, guys, I don't do it because I have everything installed here, but I'm telling you that's all you need to do. And what you're going to see is then in your main game directory, you're going to have Open All Interior or Open Interiors ASI and Open Interiors INI. Now this INI setting here, you don't need to do anything in here. If you want to open all doors, you can do one, whatever you want to do. But if you don't know what you're doing here, do not mess with it. Okay, just like me, I don't know what I'm doing with this yet still. I just know that it opens up interiors that are needed for the callouts to work. Bam. That's all you need. All right. So Open All Interiors is now installed in your main game directory. So we're going to go up to the top, hit refresh. Hit refresh. And now, guys, I just grabbed one here. I grabbed Super Callouts just to show you because it is, I believe, installed here. So all you got to do, guys, is just... My bad. All you gotta do, guys, is just open up that folder. You guys will see that it's got a Rage Native UI. Oh, and this is where I got it from. This is in my last video that I made here. This is the most up-to-date one that I've seen so far, 11.3.2020. That Rage Native UI you're gonna need, and you're gonna need the plugins folder, okay? And all you're gonna do, guys, is grab them, drag them, and drop them into your main game directory. All right. Once you've done that, you'll see here, if we open up the plugins folder on the WinRAR, you'll see that we can go here. There's an LSPDFR folder. So we open up LSPDFR, and you'll see an INI and a DLL right down here. That's all you need right in there. Okay. Some of these have audio files and everything like that, so maybe this wasn't the best one to show you. I don't know if traffic callouts does, but either way. Now, once those are installed, guys, all you need to do, if you ever want to change them out, because again, I highly recommend, if you guys are going to go into gameplay, if you want to prevent crashing and everything like that, you think about it, Super Callouts has about, I think, 20 callouts in it alone. I don't load in with any more than 1 or 2 callout packs, and I'll rotate them in and out. So what I would recommend doing, guys, is if you're going to uninstall them, oop, my bad. If you're going to uninstall them, all you do is just open this up, go to that, go to this plugins folder here, for example. So let's say we wanted to take out, Super Callouts. We're going to click plugins, click LSPDFR, So now all you guys can see, the only things we would need to remove to take this callout pack out is the super callouts and the callouts, or the super callouts 2.dll and the super callouts.ini. That's all you need to do. So if you wanted to, all you do, just click delete. It's that simple. Now I'm going to hit Control Z and put those back in there because I want super callouts in right now. I haven't streamed with them yet. So we're going to stream with them. So those will stay in there, but that's all you got to do, guys. Again, just highlight them, delete, and you're done. Okay. That's how you take a callout pack out. All right. So you're done with this now. If you wanted to install it and leave that in there. Now, if you have, let's see if traffic callouts has anything here as far as audio files go. I'm going to show you how simple this is, which it does. Okay, cool. So this one right here, guys, traffic callouts. You guys can see you'll have a README and an installation files. Click on those installation files. You'll see here you'll have plugins in an LSPDFR folder. This is how a lot of callouts come. The LSPDFR file is a lot of audio stuff. So all you're going to do is grab these, drag them, and drop them in. So then, again, plugins, LSPDFR, and here you'll see that when we go to that pathway in our main game directory, we're going to have that traffic callouts folder, and then we're going to have the traffic callouts DLL and the PDB. I don't know what that one is, but it doesn't have a configuration setting in here. Now, if you open this up, there's your INI folder. So if you guys wanted to change anything, like how you wanted to talk, if you wanted to change it from something other to Y, or you wanted to turn a certain call out off, if you're noticing there's a bug with it, it's completely up to you guys. All right. Again, guys, we're going to go back to our main game directory, which is just that simple. If you guys saw how I did that, if you're in something, just find Grand Theft Auto 5, click on that up top. Now, the audio file folder. So again, we're in the installation files. We put in these two. See the lowercase LSPDFR folder? Go ahead and find that here in your main game directory and click on that and open that up. And then you can click on it here. You'll notice that there's two things here. There's an audio and a police scanner. Okay, so all you're going to need to do is go into audio in your main game directory, go into scanner, excuse me, guys, and then find the traffic callouts folder. And again, if you wanted to take this out, you'll just have to delete that and then go back to audio, go to SFX. If you wanted to, take out that cuffs Titan. All right. That's all you got to do. All right. And then you'll need to go to the police scanner one. Police scanner, traffic callouts, and delete that. All right. That is literally all it is, guys, to delete a call out. All right. So just follow the installation paths here and only delete out the stuff that is in with this. Okay. So like this traffic callouts folder. That's pretty much going to be the gist of it for every single callout pack that is possibly out there. If you get ones like super callouts where the only thing it had was the DLL and the INI file, that works too. So it's that simple to uninstall them. Like I said, guys, I don't roll out with anything more than like 2, maybe 3 tops. But that's the best way that I've found to prevent from crashing. So yeah. So once you guys have your callout packs installed, you're all set to go. You now have callout packs and an open all interiors set up and ready to rock and roll. So you guys can then close your main game directory or minimize it, launch your game, be on your way. But guys, that's it for this tutorial. So again, if you guys enjoyed it, or if you guys want to see more and you thought it was helpful, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, check out the links in the description, and most importantly, catch us on the next one. Till next time, guys. See ya.